Is it better to have more or less words than your competition in your content?
Yeah, that's a great question. And it's one of those things where there's not a perfect answer. I would say if you're looking at content in general, word count can be important. So there is this idea of what's called the skyscraper method. And generally the idea is that you want to go above and beyond your competition. So it's not purely about word count as it's about different semantics. Often by default, creating more words, if you don't roll a lot of these tactics in, sometimes by happenstance, creating more words can build that larger semantic map. But at the end of the day, it's about matching what's working. So earlier I mentioned two tools. They do roughly the same thing. There's Page Optimizer Pro and Surfer SEO. What those tools do well is kind of backwards engineer your content competitors. So it's not purely about word count as it is about that competitive range. But if all you're working with is word count and you're still maybe trying to figure out all this competitive analysis, then you're going to be better suited to create a content piece that's longer than the competition.